Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of CoinMarketCap application. Logging out of CoinMarketCap helps protect your account, especially if you are using a shared or public device. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. From the home page of CoinMarketCap, click on the avatar icon at the top right corner, and in the expanded menu, click on the Logout button at the very bottom of the screen. Soon after you tap on Logout, you'll immediately be logged out of your CoinMarketCap application. So that is how you can easily do it. You can log back in anytime using your credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.